This BILSTEIN B14 coilover kit fits the BMW E81 through to the E90 series. Let's get into it. This BILSTEIN coilover kit, of course, is delivered in the famous blue and yellow color combination. With this coilover kit from BILSTEIN, you can lower your BMW from 30 to 50 millimeters front and rear. The rounded nut and the rounded threads leave no sharp edges open to aggressive environmental influences. All the yellow parts of this made in Germany coilover kit from BILSTEIN are of course treated with the CCC technology patented by BILSTEIN. It not only gives it the aesthetically pleasing yellow color, but also 3 coats of paint. The first one consists of zinc and alloy in combination, and a middle layer, and of course the yellow top layer here, which protects it against long-lasting corrosion. The shock absorbers in this coilover kit from BILSTEIN are constructed in the monotube way, which means they have 2 chambers within this. In the bottom we have the high pressure gas and we have the large oil compartment on top, which gives it a smooth, stable damping even with heavy use. The high pressure gas technology applied in these shock absorbers keeps the oil within the top chamber stable, which prevents it from foaming, which enables the damping to be precise and consistent, even if the shock absorber is placed under immense pressure, let's say on a track. Get this TÜV approved, really high quality, made in Germany coilover kit from world-known BILSTEIN at Schmiedmann.com for your track day car, taking it to the next level, and of course from Schmiedmann at the lowest prices in the world, and of course with worldwide shipping.